Happy Mother's Day, Ruby. God bless you.
Happy Mother's Day po.
Happy Mother's Day, Ruby. Just continue to serve the Lord and be a channel of blessings to others. God bless.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita Ruby.
Happy Mother's Day po, Tita Ruby.
Sumapit na naman ang pinakadakilang araw ng mga ina ng tahanan. Ruby, happy Mother's Day. Miss you, love you.
Sa lahat ng ina, Happy Mother's Day. Ruby, Happy Mother's Day sa'yo.
Hello. Kumusta ka na dyan? Kumusta na nararamdaman mo? Makalakas ka lang ha. Gawa ng sabi mo nga, maraming mga trials. Pero ang trials para sa akin, hindi ka para pabagsakin, kundi patatagin, palakasin, at lalo pa tayong kumapit sa Kanya. Sa oras na ito, binabati kita ng Happy Mother's Day. At nawa, maging mabilis ang pagaling mo at nawa, ikaw ay maoperahan na. Salamat!
Hi Sisi, kumusta ka na? Maaring magulat ka kasi isusurprise ka namin ngayon sa nalalapit na Mother's Day. Bagamat alam namin na nandiyan ka na naman sa ospital, di ba palagi kong sinasabi sa iyo, manalangin ka, magpakatatag ka. Kasi wala kang karamay dyan, wala kang kasama, lahat kami nandito. Diyos lang ang kakampi mo sa lugar na yan. Kaya, Sisi, palagi kang magpakalakas, magpakatatag. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, I miss you.
Hello din. Happy Mother's Day sa'yo. Ingat ka lagi. Pagaling ka.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Dad. I miss you, love you.
Hi, Tita Judith. Happy Mother's Day. Miss you na. I love you. I miss you. Baby, you want usok?
Happy Mother's Day, Mama Dad. Know that I always love you so much. Andito lang ako always for you. I hope soon as I graduate ka na. I love you and I miss you so much. Kami ng family mo is always proud of you. You're the bravest person I know. Me and the rest of the family loves you so much.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Thank you for everything, for your love and sacrifices sa amin na magkapatid, na ipadama niyo po ang alaga, kalinga ng isang magulang kahit na ikaw po ay nasa malayong lugar. Ingat po palagi and we love you and God bless you always.
Hi Tita, si Mac po to. Uwi ko lang galing ng work. So, I just wanted to greet you a Happy Mother's Day, and actually, dun sa lahat ng mga mothers dun sa church, Happy Mother's Day po sa inyo lahat, and God bless.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita Ana, and to everyone po. Tita Ana had been a guiding light in the early years of my life, and I thank her with all my heart for that. My mother and Tita Ana had taught me so many valuable lessons that can only be summed up with the words faith, hope, and love. And so I'm sending all my love from across the sea. Happy Mother's Day and God bless po.
Hi Mahal, Happy Mother's Day. Just want to say thank you so much sa patuloy na pagmamahal, pag-aalala, pag-aalaga, pagtatyaga, pag-unawa sa kabila ng lahat ng aking mga kulang at kahinaan, ay patuloy ka pa rin nariyan at nakaalalay sa akin. Kaya salamat dahil ikaw ang siyang pinakadakilang kaloob ng Diyos sa akin at kay AJ. That's why God gave you to me, to us. So, Thank you so much. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. And I just want to thank you for everything that you've done in my life and especially Daddy's life. And I pray that you will get more years to come and to be more healthy and to trust in the Lord always. And Happy Mother's Day.
And additionally, patuloy namang pagkaloob ng Lord ang iyong mga desire sa puso. Alam ng Lord yun at we pray that in His perfect time, He will grant all the desires of your heart. Once again, Happy Mother's Day.
We love you so much.
Proverbs 31:29. Many women do noble things, but you surpass them all.
God bless.
God bless you.
Hi ma! Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Ingat ka palagi dyan. Thank you sa mga supportang binibigay nyo sa amin at kaunting panahon na lang makami naman yung magtatrabaho para sa'yo. Yun lang mama, I love you. Ingat ka palagi.
Hello mga Happy Mother's Day. Sana ay pagpalain ka pa ng Panginoon at maging happy ka sa araw na Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Salamat sa pagtrabaho mo para sa amin, para mabigay ang pangangailangan namin, at mahal na mahal ka namin mga kapatid. Happy Mother's Day.
Yung Happy Mother's Day sa aming Super Mama. Ingat ka po palagi dyan at sana gumaling na yung mga nararamdaman mo. Sakit mo, mga kasukasuan mo dyan. Ingat ka palagi dyan. God bless and I love you.
Hello Mama! Happy Mother's Day! Ingat ka palagi dyan. Ingatan mo yung health mo. Miss ka na namin. I love you.
Hi Ma! Happy Mother's Day! Thank you sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo sa amin. I know that we are always praying for you and we appreciate you. Sana makauwi ka this year. We love you and we miss you.
Happy Mother's Day, Lola Gemma! Ingat ka palagi! We love you! Mwah!
Hello! Happy Mother's Day sa lahat! Especially sa mga anak ko, Fe, Ethel, Ellen, at kay Nene. Happy Mother's Day, Jazz. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat. God bless you. God bless us all. Thank you.
Hi Mami, Happy Mother's Day po. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you kasi dahil sa inyo may mga ate ako. Sila Ate Ruby, Ate Cassandra, and syempre si Caleb. Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa mga times na nandyan kayo para sa akin, lalo na kapag kailangan ko ng kausap, kahit super busy kayo, nakakapag-reply kayo sa akin. And sana okay lang po kayo dyan ni Ate CJ and lagi po kayo mag-iingat. Happy Mother's Day po. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love you and see you soon.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Wish you all the best in life. And I hope na mag-enjoy kayo dyan celebrating your special day na kasama si ate and then yung kamukha mo dyan na maputi. And sana magbuhay ka pa ng beyond 100 years na magsi-celebrate tayo ng birthday, ng Mother's Day, or ng kahit na anong event about sa mother. And I hope someday na makapunta ako dyan together with Ella and have a vacation na makapag-bonding tayo and alam ko naman na ako talaga pinaka-paborito mo sa magkakapatid. So, yun. Sana ako iuna dito sa video para, special. Para, or kahit last, pwede ring last. Para, kaya kami kasabihan tayo, di ba? There's a saying na, save the best for the last. Oh, teka lang mali pala. Ma-batch tayo ng mga viewers mo. Save the best for last. Yung pala dapat, walang the, masyadong redundant. So, yun lang. Happy Mother's Day ulit. Thank you for everything. I love you. Bye.
Happy Mother's Day, Ella. We miss you. We love you.
I just game. Happy Mother's Day, Mami Ila.
Happy birthday, Mami Lai.
I love you.
I love you.
Asan na po yung bike ko?
Nasaan yung bike ko?
Ano sasabihin mo pa?
Happy birthday, Mami Lai. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day eh.
Nasaan yung bike ko?
Happy Mother's Day.
Nasaan yung...
Yan na, Happy Mother's Day!
Jen, alam kong kahit di kayo magkakasama, kinakaya mo bilang isang ina para sa iyong mga anak. Miss you, love you, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. You're the best mom ever. Thank you for everything and thank you for loving me and Ate. And also I miss you.
Mother's Day.
Happy Nanay Day.
Happy? Okay. Louder. Happy Mother's Day. Oh. Happy. Hey, louder. Happy. Nanay. I love you. Mwah.
Hello guys.
Happy Mother's Day, Nanay Beth.
See you. Hello babe. Hello guys. Hello little babe. Happy Mother's Day. Dala. See you.
1, 2, 3, Happy Mother's Day, Nanay.
Hi po, Ate Led, Ate Flor, at kay Ate Irene. Happy Mother's Day po sa inyo. I just wanted to tell you po na please take care of yourself and be thankful for God sa mga blessings na binibigay po sa inyo. Yun lang po. Mahal ko po kayo. Sarang hingo.
Happy Mother's Day sa'yo, Mami. I love you. Ingat ka.
Hi, Ate Sarah. Happy Mother's Day nga pala. Sana lagi ka mag-iingat dyan. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na mahal kita. At you are loved and appreciated. Lahat ng mga sacrifices mo for us, for your own family, na-appreciate namin yun. At sana lagi kang ingatan ni Lord sa lahat ng mga gagawin mo. Lagi mong tatandaan na nakasuporta kami sa iyo. Yun lang, at Happy Mother's Day ulit. Mag-iingat ka lagi dyan. God bless.
Happy Mother's Day, Sarah.
Hello, Ate. Una sa lahat, good morning. At thank you sa lahat ng mga support mo sa amin, kapatid, pamilya, kalamama, at higit na kay Bunso. Saka, ingat ka lagi dyan sa Qatar. At sana maging maganda palagi yung pangangatawan mo at darating pang blessing sa'yo. And higit sa lahat, Happy Mother's Day. And stay maganda like me. I miss you, ate. Sana soon umuwi ka ulit at magkita-kita tayo. And I love you. Mahal ka namin. Bye.